Are you looking to extend a lesson with additional practice? With AI Creator, you can instantly generate customized activities that build on what your students are already learning. In this example, I'm a teacher of a JavaScript course looking to give my students extra practice with variables. I can click the lesson plan and then click this Create with AI button to get to AI Creator. The section and lesson are already loaded in, and I can choose an activity type to best support my students. I'm going to choose an exercise in the JavaScript programming language. Then I'm going to write a short prompt to create an activity that uses variables, including strings and numbers. Once I send the prompt, in seconds, AI Creator will generate a full activity, complete with a description, rubric, starter code, and a solution. If I want to make it more challenging, I can choose one of the prompts on the other side, and I can see how it'll modify the activity. Once I'm happy with the activity, I can press Save, Assign, choose the course, choose the lesson, and within seconds, it's added to my course where my students can view and complete the activity. More practice, less prep. That's the power of AI Creator.